Creating a comfortable, stress-free home environment doesn't have to break the bank. We've discovered several affordable gadgets and improvements that have significantly enhanced our daily lives. Here are 10 items, each under $200, that have made our home happier and more efficient. We've included links to many of these products in the description below, so you can easily check them out on Amazon. Are there any more that we should know about? Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Smart lock on front door. One of the best investments we made was installing a smart lock on our front door. Not having to fumble for keys has been a game changer. Installation was straightforward, though we initially wasted time with a model that had Wi-Fi capabilities, thinking it would allow remote unlocking. Instead, it only allowed remote password changes. Our advice? Opt for a simpler model without Wi-Fi. The convenience of keyless entry is enough to justify the upgrade. Number 2. Smart ceiling fan controller. We added a device called Bond that lets us control our ceiling fans with Alexa. Now, we can turn the fans and lights on or off without getting up, even if our hands are full of laundry, dirt, or kids. This has made a big difference, especially during those moments when you just can't reach the switch. Our third game-changing item under $200 that has simplified our busy home is automatic garage door closer. Forgetting to close the garage door at night used to be a common source of stress. We installed a gadget that automatically closes the garage door if we leave it open. It was under $30. We can also open and close the doors from our phone. It sounds silly, but it really is nice to look at your phone when you drive somewhere and see it open and then close it. This little device provides peace of mind and adds an extra layer of security to our home. Number 4. Programmable smart thermostat. A programmable thermostat has allowed us to better manage our home's temperature, reducing energy costs and ensuring we always come home to a comfortable environment. It's simple to set up and use, making it an effortless upgrade. We have a programmable thermostat that connects to our Alexa. It's so nice to lay in bed and change the temperature, or to be on vacation and change the temperature remotely so the temp is perfect when we get home. Number 5. Smart plugs. Smart plugs are a versatile addition, enabling us to control various devices from our smartphones or through voice commands. They're great for automating lights, coffee makers, or any other appliance you want to manage remotely. We use these all throughout our house. Our kids use Alexa to turn their lights on and off. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Our 6th game-changing item under $200 that has simplified our busy home is motion sensor lights. Installing motion sensor lights around the exterior of our house has significantly improved security and convenience. They automatically illuminate our paths at night, making it safer to walk around and deterring potential intruders. Number 7. Air purifier. Investing in an air purifier has noticeably improved the air quality in our home. It's particularly beneficial for anyone with allergies or respiratory issues. Our home feels fresher, and we breathe easier knowing the air is cleaner. Number 8. Water leak detectors. Water damage can be costly and stressful. Finding water leaks using these sensors are a huge cost saver. Water always finds a way to cause damage. It's usually behind walls. This detector finds the water before too much damage occurs. As a real estate investor with more than 20 years' experience, I recommend this water leak detector. Number 9. Robot vacuum. A robot vacuum takes care of the daily dust and dirt without any effort on our part. It's like having an extra set of hands to help with the cleaning, giving us more time to relax and enjoy our home. We have 3 small kids, including twins. We used to vacuum non-stop when they were in crawling phase. Then we just bought this robot vac. It runs 2 times a day, so we don't have to. The last game-changing item under $200 that has simplified our busy home is Indoor Herb Garden Kit. Growing our own herbs with an indoor garden kit has been both fun and rewarding. Fresh herbs are always at hand for cooking, and the greenery adds a lovely touch to our kitchen. These affordable gardens have made a noticeable difference in our home life, reducing stress and increasing our overall happiness. They're proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to create a more comfortable and efficient living space. Plus, it's a learning experience for the kids. These affordable enhancements have transformed our home, making it more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. Each item, costing less than $200, proves that creating a happier, less stressful home doesn't require a hefty investment. With a little creativity and some strategic purchases, you can turn your house into a smarter, happier home. Why wait? Start small and watch as these simple changes make a big difference in your everyday life. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.